Hello everyone, welcome back to another week of US stock market indices analysis and forecast for the second week of July. Looking at the trend here, we can say that the previous high for S&P 500 has been breached. Wow. So we are going into new highs for the upcoming weeks, this week also. So this is quite a big surprise because there's news of the infrastructure plan not going through and a lot of other crash hypotheses. So last week I mentioned that this big bearish candle, but the price is still going up. So this means that during this time the big institution has been buying all the time. So next week I hope to see some retracement or maybe some minor stagnation before going further up. Anyway, no bearish divergence within the stochastic and the RSI yet. MACD is showing some good upwards trend line. For the Nasdaq 100, since broken through, the price never looked back. So it is currently, the RSI has shown it to be in the overbought area, which is dangerous because if we look back to a few months back, the price never breached the overbought area for RSI. So this could be a timing or a sign for retracement coming soon. We are also seeing could be a bearish divergence forming in the full stochastic indicator. So this gap up, maybe there will be some gap to close it up, the price, before going further back up. For the New York Composite, the price has not been able to break through compared to the other previous two indices, but we are seeing the bearish divergence. So most probably this big candle is showing some kind of buying action, but the price have not been able to breach up, but also the price has not go down. So this means that this zone has been probably a buying zone. So I will take a long position for the next week. For Nasdaq Composite, again, price break through the previous high, or the RSI has also been showing overbought area, overbought in this zone, so that we could see some retracement. No much signs of bearish divergence yet for the stochastic, but we have to watch out for Nasdaq Composite. For the Dow Jones Industry, the previous high is still not breached yet. We have seen a big divergence, so I'm expecting the price to break through it. So I've been accumulating some long position when the price seems to be supported by the SMA 50 line. So this bearish volume has been shown to be a buying time for the big bankers and big institutions. This another large volume has also proven to be a long position by most of the investors. So I think it is relatively safe to take a long position for Dow Jones Industry Index. We have to watch out for some forming of divergence in the stochastic, but overall it is I would say a very strong long positions for Dow Jones Industrial Average. For Dow Jones Transportation, the price action has not been so good. It is in a downtrend. The SMA 50 has been shown to be a good resistance line currently. Not much volume going on. MACD showing some sign of going up. So if we look at the previous one, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, compare it with Dow Jones Transportation, I can say that it could be a good time to go long currently. I would go long probably for this price with target price at the previous high. And lastly, for gold, the SMA 200 and the SMA 50 is diverging currently, so we could see some price stagnation at this point. The price is showing some retracement back from the overbought area, so we could be seeing some retracement back to the 50 line and then further go down. Shown by the stochastic that the price may be going retracement to the above the midpoint, and the price will further go down. So this could be this big candle, but the price did not go down further, could show that some buying pressure. So most likely the price can still go up a bit before going further back down. And with that, that is the forecast for next week. Bye bye and stay safe.